All right, let's get us a hammer. All right. Oh, boy. Alright, this is the first maiden turn over. See what happens. Oh, the lights are on. Alright, the lights are on, and I don't know which one of these things is the light switch. Alright, let's see if we can find the light switch in this. That's a choke, I know that. Oh boy. Alright, so that would be explain the dead battery. That's not a light switch. Let's try this button. No. Nope. That's something. Nope. Nope. Alright, so we'll have to unplug the battery after we try to start it till I can figure out where the light switch is, because the speedometer's lit up. That's a friggin' factory Jeep dash light right there, I think. Guess it was a dealer edition on these things. God, I wish someone would just tell me where the light switch is. That's not good. Don't know what that is. Alright, screw it. Let's see if it starts. Ooh. Alright. Let's see if we can push the choke, pull the choke. Oh. Oh. Alright. Huh? Okay. Let's get some starting fluid. Oh, she runs. She makes a lot of noise, but she runs. It's alive! Alright, so we just gotta fix the fan shroud and get gas to the carburetor. We'll do that later.